Hi everyone, this is Aryan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Night Trader Neo. This is another development utility video, and in this video I will be demonstrating how we can install Python in our Windows machine. In Linux, Python comes by default, so we need not install it explicitly. But in Windows we need to install it. So let's go to the Chrome and first download Python. In Google Chrome, we will search for Python. We have come to the official website python.org, org, org for organization. Here there is a option for download, and in download for Windows 3.13, the latest version. Note that Python 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7. Okay, we will go for 3.13. And here on clicking it, we will get an option to download. Since I have already downloaded it, I want to download it again. Let me move to the installation part. So here is the file. You guys can locate the file and double click it for installation. Once you double click, a new window, a new box window will open, and here we will have install now. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Okay, add python.exe to path. We will click here and the same. I guess I should go for all users. No, let's go. If you guys want to install for all users, you can go with this one. But I want to go with all users. I will go for the this current user itself. So once I click OK, yeah, and one thing, the below box that I had clicked, uh, that needs to be clicked so that Python is added to the path. And let me show Python. Here it is not installed by default, and so Microsoft Store is opening for to install it. But once it will be installed, then I can use command line also. Okay, let me pause the video while it is in progress. Okay, let's check. Setup was successful. Disable path length. It allows increasing Python to back. Okay, disable path length also I will click. Okay, let me see what is the. Okay, Python is installed. So Control Z, 3.13. Okay, Python print hello world. Yeah, hello world. Print 4 to the power 5. How much it is? 1024. Wow. Okay, print okay, no, it is night trade new. Okay, please subscribe to Night Trader Neo. Yeah, so I guess Python is installed in our machine. What is the VS Code? Okay, VS Code is also done, Postman and all. Okay, so now this now that we have installed Python, we are easy to go with the coding, our coding and development. So that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and feel free to ping in the comments any problem you face while installing. That was all. Have a nice day, guys. See you in the next video.